All right, got my trusty Inkbird instant read. We're gonna probe these chicken breasts. It's okay. They need to cook to 165, but it is okay if they're a little under. Because I'm gonna do a cheat code. Ooh, it's looking real good. But I'm gonna do a little cheating, and I'm going to put this under the broiler. This one didn't have any cream cheese on it. It's about 160, so we're getting there. 120. Yeah, we're about either 5 minutes or so on these. That's about almost 150. So we're getting close. Like I said, we're gonna put her under the broiler, but I'm gonna show you the in-depth how to make this amazing chicken cream cheese wrapped in bacon. And I'll take you from the very beginning. Today we are going to be making, I am going to stuff chicken breast with cream cheese, regular cheese, wrap it in bacon, and cook it on the grill. So I have 1 block of cream cheese. I kind of melted it for about 30 seconds in the microwave. This is probably a cup of cheese. That's what we had left. I didn't measure it. And then I'm going to stir this up, and then I'm going to put in there. All right, this seasoning I'm going to use is so freaking awesome. Twisted Texas. I'm just going to put that in with the cheese and the cream cheese. And then I'm going to stuff all of these chicken breasts with it and wrap them in bacon. But I will going to mix this up, and then I'll show you what it looks like after I get it mixed up. So that's the mixture. It's mixed up. I'm going to stuff it in the chicken breasts, and then I'm going to wrap them in bacon. All right, here's a video. We are stuffing it. Yes, I know I'm contaminating with the knife, but I'm literally going to throw this entire mixture away when I'm done. So it will not hurt anything to have it touch raw chicken. Because like I said, I'm saving none of this. But you just kind of fill it in with a knife or whatever. Some of these are a little froze, but it'll be all right. We'll grill them anyway. When I wrap them in bacon, and it'll be grilled. It'll cook fine on the grill. So that's how we stuff those. All right, 2 rubs I'm going to use on it is King Louie's Meat Apostle Honey Chipotle and King Louie's Meat Apostle Ooh Butter Clucker. I'm going to do those before I wrap them in bacon, because otherwise you won't get much seasoning on it. So I'm going to do a light layer of the Honey Chipotle. It's got a little heat to it, but it's also really good honey rub. And then I'm going to come back and do the Ooh Butter Clucker, and I'll flip it and kind of do the other side. And then wrap them in bacon. All right, here's Ooh Butter Clucker. All right, then I'm gonna flip them over and do the other side. All right, they got them wrapped in bacon. This one needs to be fixed a little bit. They're incredibly hard to wrap and keep going on. So, but either way, they're wrapped in bacon and stuff. So we're gonna light I'm cooking on the rubber kettle. We're gonna light it up and do indirect cooking. All right, we got the good charcoal lit. Give it about 15-20 minutes. It's good charcoal briquettes. They're coming out, and they're gonna be in a Lowe's near you. They are one of our great sponsors of the show, and I love this charcoal. I started using it the lump last year in competition. It burns hot, it burns clean, and it's very little ash, which is amazing. All right, one last rub I love to use I'm gonna put this over the bacon. It's a sweet kind of a pecan rub. It's Josh DeWitt JDQ Sweet Rub, the OG. He also makes a spicy, but since I put a Chipotle honey rub on this one, I'm not going to put it on this one. And I'm just gonna coat both sides with this rub. It's sweet, it's pecan, and it looks great color. Smell the pecan already. All right, we got the good charcoal briquettes on, set up for even on indirect heat. She's running about 250, so I'm gonna get it put on here in a second. All right, we just got the chicken put on. Close the lid, probably let her run 10-15 minutes before I flip it, and then we're gonna check her and see. But that looks awesome. We are running about 400, so we're gonna flip our chicken. It's been about 12 minutes. We're gonna flip it and see where we're at. All right, let me try to do this one-handed. There's that. It could have used a little bit more time, so we'll flip her back over. What I also do sometimes, and I know this is cheating, everybody's gonna tell me it's cheating, I will put it under the broiler. But that good charcoal is getting good and hot, so that is great. That one didn't have bacon on it because I ran out of bacon. But otherwise, we got her flipped. All right, got my trusty Inkbird instant read. We're gonna probe these chicken breasts. It's okay. They need to cook to 165, but it is okay if they're a little under. Because I'm gonna do a cheat code. Ooh, it's looking real good. But I'm gonna do a little cheating, and I'm going to put this under the broiler. This one didn't have any cream cheese on it. It's about 160, so we're getting there. 120. Yeah, we're might need another 5 minutes or so on these. That's about almost 150, so we're getting close. Like I said, we're gonna put her under the broiler, but I'm gonna show you the in-depth how to make this amazing chicken cream cheese wrapped in bacon. And I'll take you from the very beginning.